I got a chance here to film a barge again. It's too cold to hunt for arrowheads. You see, there's icebergs in the river. I got a bunch of nice pictures of the bait. They're switching hands here. Some guys left, and then these guys are coming on to replace them. It's a West Virginia bait. I zoomed in on the emblem up there in the pictures. You'll be able to see what kind of bait it is.
You had this guy let you go on there and take a tour.
Oh, that's all right. I doubt that's probably allowed, probably. Pretty cool bait. There's all kinds of big winches there and stuff. They're switching hands. About 20 guys just went off and went up the road here to their cars, and now they're 20 guys come back, 10 or 20, something like that. Can't arrowhead hunt, but come look at some baits. I'll be able to melt detect today. Maybe it's starting to unthaw. Maybe not, but it's gonna be close. Here you can see this all up close. Well, anyway, I'll get back when I find some stuff and I'm able to go out hunting.